Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a cheap small cap where Franklin Templeton Mutual Fund has bought 51,82,370 shares at Rs 59.51 on the NSE yesterday. Max Life Insurance Company and Nomura Trust and Banking Co. were the sellers with 20,277 and 35,46,277 shares sold at Rs 59.52 and 59.51 respectively. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Sanghi Industries, which is available at Rs 60.10 and the face value for it is 10. The price at which this transaction took place is 59.51. The symbol for it is SANGHIIND. Now Sanghi Industries Limited is an India-based company engaged in the manufacturing and sale of cement and clinker. The company manufactures and markets cement and cement products in the domestic and export markets. Now, as is evident from the one-year chart, the company has been a dog of a stock and a lot of wealth has been eroded here. The company has a market cap of 1,508.51 crores, which means that the company is a small cap one, and the stock is available at a price to earnings ratio of 20.80, which is largely in line with the industry PE of 18.20. The price to book ratio of 0.94, however, is on the cheaper side. The company has a debt to equity of 0.4751, whereas the return on equity for the stock is 0.0523. The promoter holding is also a strong number at 65.72%. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.